What is up, Lowheat fans? I have definite pair of Lowheat today. Kind of, maybe a little nostalgic to some. Maybe I don't know. Don't know how to feel about this. Looking for your comments. Please don't torch me too bad. But yes, you already know what it is from the title. But I have a variety of Nike Hello Kitty product to unbox. It kind of pains me just to say that out loud. But let's see for ourselves. Before we get into the shoes, let's do some of the apparel first. Stick around, we'll get to the shoes in a minute. Also have a bonus pair of kid-size shoes to show you because I'm sure, Hello Kitty is targeted mainly towards kids. I'm sure their corporate target demo expands beyond that, but we'll see. Hello Kitty is the Mickey Mouse of Japanese cartoons. It from the Sanrio brand. Oh, that is the shoes. Hold up, open the wrong box first. I think. Let's see here. Let's do this box first. Now, the shoes is the main course. Got to do the appetizers first. Get your wine, get your drinks, get your beverages, your sparkling waters, that craft IPA. Then we'll get into the steak, the thrice baked potatoes. All right. If you're watching this, I wonder, are you Sanrio fans? Are you Hello Kitty fans? Or are you just, I don't know, Hypebeasts? It would be interesting. I would be interested to know. As a grown man, is it weird that I've bought this much Sanrio Hello Kitty Nike product? Is it odd? It's 2022. Maybe it's more acceptable. But the fact that it's 2022, maybe it's still not acceptable. So, from St. Alfred, I was able this stuff went pretty fast online. All of it, except the shoes. And that makes sense because the only thing reselling for greater than retail is the apparel. And we're not talking crazy above retail, but we are talking above retail. So I did get the hoodie. It was $100. I got it in size large because that was all that was available on St. Alfred at the time as I was going through all the sites and hemming and hawing on whether to buy. I did pull the trigger on this. I'm kind of an XL boy now, but hoping to be a large boy. That being said, am I going to wear something with this on it? I don't know. I guess if I'm in better shape, you can wear anything. If you can rock it, you can rock it. I am now examining that cute little face with a bow on it, and I'm leaning more towards no. More towards I should sell this. That makes me even feel worse that I took this away from someone who potentially really wanted it. That being said, who really wants it in my size? Unisex large or extra large or XXL. That's truly a fan. Maybe there's some big people out there that are true fans. I don't know. I digress. It's kind of a dope hoodie. I got to think on this. I got to let it marinate whether I'm actually going to wear this or not. Okay. Let's see here. Okay. On to the shoes. What I do think is dope, no matter what you say, feelings, I do think the packaging's sick. They don't do this for every shoe or collab. Some they do, but this packaging's on point. I don't know. There's no story to tell here. It's just very on brand. So I got these in size 12, my size. These retailed for $140 right now. If you go to all the resale sites, you could get these. The list price is under retail, but when you factor in fees, shipping, all that, you're going to be paying around retail, essentially. I mean, I still pay tax on this, maybe shipping. So you're going to be paying right around retail. So if you want these, cop these. I think as of the time of posting this video, they haven't dropped on sneakers, so there's even going to be more supply. Or maybe they did drop on sneakers. My days are all gelling together. There's a drought right now on sneakers of shoes that I want, so I'm not paying attention as closely. Yeah. Okay, there it is. Oh, I did open the right box. Okay, so with my order here, I was able to cop a t-shirt. Let's It's interesting that they put it inside the box. We'll get to the shoes in a second. So I did cop a t-shirt. I'm more likely to keep this. A, it's my size. B, I can hide it under other clothes a little better. And B, the resale on this isn't quite, I mean, it's a little bit over. But I'm thinking I might sell the hoodie, keep the t-shirt. Let me know your thoughts. You keeping both? You keeping one or the other? There was a white t-shirt that was very popular with just the Hello Kitty branding in the middle and I think a swoosh. I don't do well with white t-shirts. They get dirty. I spill on them. The neck gets brown, sweat stains, all of the above. White t-shirts are a bigger money pit than other t-shirts, which are a money pit, if that makes sense. This one, let's go ahead and open this one. I didn't open up the hoodie for you because that's not my size. A little less likely to wear it. I have a million hoodies. I live in LA. This I have a greater chance of wearing. Let's see this. Very nice. A lot of packaging. A lot of packaging. Keeping this nice and crispy. Now, okay, let's be real. If there was a Keroppi or Bats Maru line of apparel, I would be down to cop that and keep it. Maybe that's not much better, and maybe it's bad that I know those other characters, but I'm just speaking the truth. We're leveling with you guys, my loyal YouTube viewers and followers and subscribers. Oh yeah, by the way, subscribe. I haven't plugged the channel yet. Please subscribe. So there you go. That's what it looks like. I think it's a little too cutesy for me. Okay, it's a lot too cutesy for me. It's kind of, it's nice quality though. This is heavy quality, in case you were wondering, in case you're thinking of buying a shirt for yourself. Resale is thicker quality. You got an embroidered bow, Hello Kitty bow on the back. I don't know. Slightly overweight, out of shape guy wearing this, it's not it. I don't think it's it. Now, if I was more in shape, you've got the six-pack underneath this, then maybe I could get away with this. So we'll see. We'll see. Maybe I keep it for a hot second, see if we get into fighting shape, then throw this on. You know, if you're in shape, everything looks good on you. It doesn't matter what you're wearing. If you got a hot bod, you got a hot bod. The clothes over the top of it only matters so much. So there, I said it. That's my take on that. As of now, this would look horrible on me, I think. People would laugh and snicker at the Starbucks counter. So, I don't know. I might keep it, though. Use it as inspiration to get in shape because I really want to wear that Hello Kitty Nike t-shirt. Okay, on to the shoes. These, definitely more likely to wear. These are kind of like a ha ha ha, that's funny, also cool type of thing you can wear, get away with. A little more subtle than the all over print hoodie or t-shirt. Let's see how these look. Ooh, box, cool. Got Hello Kitty on the inside, Hello Kitty paper. You saw the branding on the bottom too. There's okay. Stop the presses. For all you youngins out there, there used to be a thing called newspapers where they would print black ink on paper. We don't have those anymore. But anyways, when there was a news story, they would say stop because they had to add something. These, okay, that maybe a little too cutesy on the back, but these are kind of fire. What's great about these is from a distance, you don't know what these are. That's just a dope colorway and blocking. Light blue, white, midsole, and the classic Presto webbing on the side. That's just a dope shoe from afar. Now, if you get in close, yeah, you might raise some eyebrows, but you put this with some black tech joggers, some shorts. I think that's kind of fire. Personally, I don't think that's. I think that's pretty great. Here's the other shoe, symmetrical. Oh yeah, symmetrical. For the most part, the insoles do form a full rainbow. 2 trees one side, 1 tree the other side. 2022 Sanrio on the inside. You got the red lace tips like that. Got the bows on the tongues. Embroidered Nike on the front. I am a Presto guy. I'm more excited about the Air Cocoonies that are starting to re-release. I had back in the day the Air Cocoonies that were this color but like a water looked like a water tableau, and they had the clear translucent web meshing over the top of them. Now those were dope. Maybe that's why I like these, because these remind me of the Eric Kakunis with the water print on them. Here's the outsole. You got your waffle print outsole, Duralon outsole, air on the bottom and the red hits. I like these. Let's put these on. It's interesting. They must have, I don't know. They must have made a lot of these because the prices are where they are. This, if you're a Presto head, they did a very limited friends and family, but I don't think it was a wide release. It was not a wide release Hello Kitty Presto back in the day. It used to be a grail. A lot of the pairs have yellowing to them. Now they did this, probably cratered the price, resale value on those handful of pairs out there. But they must have made a ton of these, because resales that, or just they made so many sizes, adult sizes, like adults aren't going to wear these. Actually, maybe that's what they found out. I don't know. The smaller sizes in these are going for more than retail, as suspected, as probably women, girls, younger people are more into these. Definitely the larger sizes are going for retail or under retail. I would also point out that this has this velour lining on the inside, so that's kind of cool. A little higher quality materials used on this. Let's try these on. Right now I got the Heritage Jordan 1s. I just did a wear review video on these. Check that out, please. Also, word of caution and warning for you sneakerheads out there. I copped a pair of these, I think from Bodega, first come, first serve. And then like shortly after I checked out, confirmed the purchase, got a confirmation email from Social Status that I had won the draw on these. I apparently had signed up for a draw on Social Status for these. So if it's not a huge money shoe, or you don't want doubles, or, if it's Lowheat like this that you're just kind of sort of interested in, you're like flirting with, I would be very careful signing up for multiple raffles. Yes, and then or copying first come, first serve without knowing the results of those raffles. Because right now I have two pairs of these. I do think over time these shoes don't hold up that well. They show wear quickly. Maybe these creep up, down the road. Maybe these go up in price. So as of now, I have one pair to rock, one pair to sit on for when these get cooked, or to sell if these actually go up. I doubt it. There's a lot of pairs, but it might go up a little bit. Or if you want to pay, you want to buy a pair size 12 off me for retail plus shipping. I'm not giving you free shipping because I'd be out $20. Go ahead, hit me up. Do me a favor and the channel a favor. But you could get them cheaper, of course. Okay, so fit, definitely a little snug around the top. I don't know how much these are going to break in. Lengthwise, I wouldn't want to go any longer. I wouldn't want to go up to size 13 to get a bigger shoe. But length, these fit. I'm going to loosen up the laces, see if that does anything. I think it's working. I think loosening the laces definitely help. Duh. Hold your comments to the end. It's like, of course loosening the laces is going to help. Well, it took me a second. I thought these were already pretty loose. Anyways, here, let's loosen these up. There we go. Okay. Grown man trying to fit into Hello Kitty Prestos. Okay. On foot, a little more Hello Kitty-ish than I expected. They are what they are. From afar, these are dope, I maintain. Even though I'm seeing these up close. I think these will look dope from afar. So, I have on high black Nike tube socks. Maybe not what I would rock with these, but it's I would probably go no-shows or low ankle socks. Red, black, white. One of those three colors, or light blue. Probably not light blue. I don't own light blue socks anyways. But that's kind of got a ribbony heel tab there. But that's what I would go with. Sometimes it's an interesting exercise to go with socks you wouldn't necessarily in your mind put together with a shoe, just to, to either confirm your suspicions that, yeah, that's those socks don't go, or maybe surprise yourself and be like, oh, shit, I didn't know these actually work. In this case, I think it's right in between. I don't think these are horrible, but definitely not like, oh man, that's a fire sock to wear with that. The real thing is I was just lazy. I had these on. I didn't want to change socks for this video. So let me know in the comments all your thoughts on these. I know you have to have opinions. Interesting, right down here, they did the same little color pips that make up Hello Kitty's face. I don't know when Hello Kitty came around. I think the 80s. I don't know all the history of Sanrio. That's what Google and Wikipedia are for in this instance, even though I usually do my research. I bet a handful of you watching this video know more than I do. But so apologize for not going into my normal depth of history into the product. But I have shoes piling up and videos I wanted to get out there. So a little short on the background and history. I apologize. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe because I have more videos coming out. I want to know your opinions on these. These, I wouldn't say flopped. I think they just made a lot and just, maybe for adults, this is just a little too childish these days. Who knows? I don't know. I maintain that these are kind of dope. Definitely for kids. Oh, yeah, that's right. I had a bonus unboxing. These also say Presto on the side right there. I had a bonus unboxing for you guys. Okay, so I think a lot of people are going to consider these for their kids. Grandchildren, nephews, nieces. I think that's a fair assumption. They did these in full family sizing, infants and kids. So let's see. I did cop a pair for possible future progeny. Let's see what the kids, in case you were wondering out there, any sneakerhead parents, uncles, aunts, what the kids' ones look like. Oh, wait. These aren't... I didn't cop a pair of kids. Should I have got a pair of kids? Oh, oh, that's right. I got a pair of these. Okay, I didn't get a pair. What do you think? Should I get a pair of these in kid sizing? I don't know. But I did get a pair of these. Look at that. I think those are pretty cool. Those are pretty cool. I love it. Yeah, I love it. Real cute. Now, they don't come with extra laces, though. They do come with a Jordan sticker, in case you were wondering. But I'm debating getting a pair of these in kid sizes. Start creating the sneaker rotation for future fancy pantses down the road. But I think they could go on sale, maybe. So that's what I'm holding out for. I think these could go on sale in the kid sizes. So crossing my fingers that they do, and then I'll scoop a few pairs. That's my recommendation.